morning, student. Student, first of all, open your chapter science. Open your book. Chapter number, I think this is the chapter number 12. Okay. You know, in the chapter number 12, in the last previous classes, I have already explained about what is the solar system. What is the feature of Earth? What is the feature of Sun? What is the feature of Moon? Now, I think I have also started the topic, the phases of the Moon. Phases of the Moon. So, all of you get ready to read and learn the chapter number 12. Okay, open the chapter number, Earth. 11, Earth, Sun and Moon. Today is the class 5th science. Topic Earth, Sun and Moon. Earth, Sun and Moon. Chapter number 11. Chapter number 11. Okay. So, you know, the Moon is the natural satellite of the Earth. The Moon is the natural satellite of the Earth, which revolves around the Earth. Okay. And Earth is a planet which revolves around the Sun. Okay. So, satellite revolves around the planet and planet revolves around the Sun. In our solar system, today my topic is the phases of the Moon. The different phases which are seen on the surface of the Earth is called the phases of the Moon. Moon change its phases daily. Actually, student, Moon never changes itself. Moon never changes itself. We see only it is the lighted part from the Earth. We see only the changing shape of the Moon, which we see from the Earth, that is their lighted part. Okay, the shape of the lighted part. It is revolves around the Earth. It is revolves around the Earth. Actually, Moon never change its shape. The changes shape which are seen by the Earth, actually this is the lighted part, which is the reflect from the Sun. Okay, there are two new moons and one full moon are found in every month. Okay, this is the new moon. Okay, after some time, some lighted part are seen. This is called the crescent. Crescent moon. Okay, crescent moon, half part is lighted and half part is dark. So this is called the half moon. Half moon. And then again they darkening all around. same opposite type. Some faces are again covered with the dark. This is called the gibbous moon. Gibbo, gibbous moon. And they cover some more darkening part of the moon. Okay, suppose this is called the gibbous moon, full moon, gibbous moon. Gibbous moon. When this is covered a half part, this is called the half moon, crescent moon, half moon. Same. CRESCE, crescent moon. Now, our moon will again covered with the darkness, that is called the new moon. New moon. Okay? The changing phase of the moon that we see from the earth is called the shape of the moon. Now, students, the moon and the man. The moon and the man. There are various scientists which are trying to reach the surface on the moon, but they are failed. But there are some astronauts, spacemen, which goes on the moon. So Luna first in 1959. Luna first from USSR, United States of Soviet. Okay. So first moon mission and man. First moon mission and man means Luna first 1959. Luna first in 1959 was the first aircraft rocket which are first launched on the surface of the moon, and first man Neil Armstrong. Neil Armstrong in 1969 become the first. In 1969 become the first man who become the first person to step on the moon. To step on the moon. Okay. Apollo, Apollo 11 was the proper man made, and with some scientists, some astronauts which goes to the moon surface. Okay, this is by USSR. In year 20th of July 1969, there are three spacecraft men on land on the moon. The spacecraft men crew on the three astronauts Neil Armstrong, Buzz Aldrin and Michael Collins. But Commander was Neil Armstrong? Land which land on the surface of the moon? Okay, and India have sent several rockets on the moon, on the surface of the moon. The Rakesh Sharma was the first Indian, okay, who go the surface of the moon or on the moon. Okay. Now Chandrayaan first and Chandrayaan second, there are two Mangal mission. Chandrayaan first, the first moon mission of India. Chandrayaan first, the first, okay, the first moon mission of India. Moon mission of India. And Chandrayaan second, Chandrayaan 2 is the latest moon mission of the India. Okay, latest of the India. Now student, I am going to explain the eclipses. Very important topic. You are all read very sincerely in your free time. Eclipses. What is eclipses? Eclipse. You know, sun is the center of the solar system. When sun, earth and moon lie in the same line, causes the eclipse. Earth and this is the moon. It is always shining. Okay. When sun, earth, moon, or sun, moon, earth lies in the same line, that causes the eclipses. In the eclipses, the shadow of the sun or the moon, okay, cast on the earth or the moon respectively. Okay. So eclipses occur when sun, earth, moon lies in a straight line. There are two types of eclipses. That is, first is the lunar eclipse and second is solar eclipse. Very simple. Lunar eclipse and solar eclipse. First is the lunar eclipse. When earth come in between the sun and moon. When earth come between the sun and moon and cast the shadow of earth on the moon is called the lunar eclipse. Is called the lunar eclipse. Okay. Okay. So Earth comes between the sun and moon and casts its shadow on the moon surface, called the lunar eclipse. Okay. You know, this part is face the sun rays and this part is the dark part. Okay. So the part of shadow that totally block the sunlight, this is called the umbra. UMBRA. Okay. The other part that block only part of the sunlight is called the penumbra. PNUMBRA. Okay. And what is the total lunar eclipse and total partial lunar eclipse? You know, when the Earth cover the whole moon, or you can say the total eclipse, lunar eclipse found when the moon are covered with darkness shadow of the earth. Okay, it is called the total lunar eclipse. Okay, when the moon is completely in the dark, it's called the total, and when the moon is partially dark, hidden by the shadow of the earth, this is called the partially lunar eclipse. And what is the solar eclipse? Same thing, solar eclipse. When the moon come between the moon, earth, come between the sun and earth and cast its shadow on the earth's surface, called the solar eclipse. Same. This is the dark part. Because moon is so smaller than the earth and the sun. So only few parts is covered by the darkness of the moon. This is called the solar eclipse. This is the partially darkness. So this is called the umbra and this is called the penumbra. Okay. So eclipses should be seen through the instruments, with the help of the instruments only, not seen with your naked eyes in the sky, because it can cause the damage of your eyes. Okay. Now what is satellites? Satellites, only moon is the natural satellite of the earth, but there are some artificial satellite or man-made satellite. Artificial satellite, also called the man-made satellite. What is the use of satellites? Okay, man-made satellites are also called the artificial satellites. Okay, this is the heavy object sent to the where? Sent into the space to orbit the Earth. Sent to the space that orbit the Earth and give the all information about the signals and signs of the Earth. They can send the information about the weather, rain. This is the forecast measurement of your weather and rain. So, student spacecraft is launched into the space with the help of instrument that is called the rocket. Rocket is called spacecraft. So, rocket is an instrument by which the satellites can fit it in the rocket and they goes in the moon beyond the atmosphere of the Earth. Okay, so the world first artificial satellite was Sputnik first. Sputnik first. This is the first artificial satellite which is launched by the student on the 4th of October 1956. 4th October 1957. You know, Soviet Union. SOVIET. Soviet UNION. Soviet Union. Now present time this is called Russia, but previous some 20 to 35 years ago, this is called the Soviet Union. This is a combination of several countries. In the 4th of October 1957, Sputnik first was launched by the Soviet Union. Okay, you know, Aryabhat was the first Indian spacecraft which are sent on the surface of the moon. Aryabhat, ARYABHAT, Aryabhat. Okay, Aryabhat. So artificial satellites are sent in the space for different purpose. For example, of military. What is the purpose to send? For navigation, for military purpose. Okay. PURPO purposes. For MI, student you can write down MILA, military satellite, SATE, satellite. Okay, can spy, guide missile. And even used for various purposes for weapons. WEAPONS. You know the different types of the present time of surgical strike on Balakot and Uri are the two strikes which are the completely successfully in our successful government, Mr. Narendra Modi ji's government successfully with the help of the artificial satellites. Okay, and second purpose is for the send the artificial satellite into space, that is the communication or COMMU communication. Gave the science of for TV, radio, and telephone, telephone transmission. Third, weather forecasting. For study of earth environment. So there are various purposes are used by the artificial satellites. Now this is the end of your all topics of chapter number 11, Earth, Sun and the Moon. Okay, so all of you first of all read all these, and I will give the some exercise through your WhatsApp group by the photograph. I will send some photograph of the some exercise which are given in your book, like the true false, fill in the blanks, and MCQs type, one word type. Okay, so student, you will fill it in your free time. Okay, now write down today's homework. Artificial satellite and eclipses. Okay, I hope you are all read properly at your home. Now in your second online class, I will send the exercises. Okay, I will send or I will explain in the online class what will possible. Okay, I will send or I will explain. Thank you, student. Have a nice day.